Africa is a melting pot of cultures. I pity the man that hasn't been to Africa, but he has so much to look out for. The diversity it poses in terms of nature, culture, and everything put together is indeed breathtaking. At Gazelle Safaris Africa, we bring you to Africa, a continent we are proud to call home. When you travel with us, you move from the high mountains of the Kilimanjaro, the wilderness in Kenya, the mountains of South Africa, and the white sand beaches. Uganda and Rwanda, the home of the mountain gorillas, and the DR Congo. Travel with us through Africa so we show you what our home and our fatherland has to offer. Travel shouldn't break the bank. When you travel with us, you're going to pay just a fraction of the cost of what the others are charging you. Doesn't mean that just because we offer it lower and cheaper, you're not getting a good service. Our service is actually very superior, and we assure you that you're going to be comfortable in the most luxurious cars and comfortable lodges. We go by the adage that if we can't stay in it, then we can't sell it. So that means all the accommodation that we give you is handpicked just for you to make your stay even better. Remember, the travel is the only thing that you buy that pays you even better. When you invest in travel, you earn in great memories and lasting impressions. Our guides are very experienced, licensed, and have learned defensive driving. So they will drive you in the heart of the jungle, in the cities, and still keep you safe. They are also multilingual, so they speak French, German, Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, to mention but a few. Much as they speak these foreign languages, they also are very well versed with the local dialect. They make you feel like part of the community so that you can explore at ease. We are big advocates for slow travel. We request our clients to take it slow and enjoy the destinations and see everything that they have to offer. We suggest that you slowly travel through the communities on a bicycle, on a horseback, or even just walk. All these reduce the carbon emission into the environment that we so much care about, because sustainability is at the heart of everything that we do. Not forgetting that a fraction of what we earn goes back to the community. So when you buy our tours, that means you are also helping the communities in and around the national parks. We have a young, dedicated team that will make sure that your travel goes as planned. We not only promise, but we deliver on all our promises. And I promise you that this 2023 is your year of travel. Travel with Gazelle Safari Company and get the best out of the destination